Exporting objects to Google Earth. With SDBOX, all AutoCAD objects can be exported to Google Earth, even images. Just select the objects, and SDBOX handles the rest automatically. Importing a JSON file. JSON files are imported with all their included information and placed on appropriate layers. In this example, the file contains cadastral parcels, including polygons and parcel codes. Importing a shapefile. For shapefiles, SDBOX also allows selected attribute fields to be inserted as text in the drawing. In all cases, the full information of each object remains available through the ZSHDATA command.